This guy uploaded just 4 videos, and his first one exploded to 16 million views, monetizing his channel instantly. Want to know how you can do it too? Get ready to ignite your channel with a tutorial that's gonna blow your mind. Today, I'm beyond hyped to walk you through how to create viral AI videos that can take your channel from 0 to monetized in no time, just like this creator who smashed it with only 4 videos. His first video? A jaw-dropping 16 million views. The second? 1.9 million. And his third and fourth, dropped just yesterday and the day before, are already racking up views like crazy. This channel hit YouTube's 10 million view monetization mark with just that first video, and now it's cashing in big from a smartphone. Want to make that your reality? Let's jump in with full energy. Why are these videos pulling in millions of views? Because they're powered by a brilliant, one-of-a-kind idea that's taking the internet by storm. Nobody on YouTube, TikTok, or any platform is doing this yet. These videos showcase the owners of mega brands like Apple CEO in their real likeness, with their brand's power brought to life as a massive logo-branded robotic creature marching behind them. It's bold, it's epic, and it screams influence. From Coca-Cola to Tesla, these videos highlight brand owners in a way that grabs eyeballs and pulls in premium views from English-speaking countries. That means serious money for you if you act fast. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and smash the like. Let's keep this energy high. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to create these viral videos using just your phone. Get ready, this is gonna be a wild ride. Step 1. Crafting killer AI prompts. Creating these epic images of brand owners with massive robotic creatures is no small task. It took me hours to perfect the prompts that make this magic happen, but I've got you covered. In this video's description, you'll find 4 to 5 pre-made prompts I've crafted to generate these show-stopping visuals of company owners with their brand's power visualized behind them. Here's the game plan. Go to the video description and copy 2 to 3 of my prompts. Head to chatgpt.com, paste those prompts into the input box and add this line. Generate 10 more prompts with the same settings. Hit enter and boom! ChatGPT will deliver 10 fresh prompts with the same epic style. These prompts will include the brand name and its owner, like Coca-Cola with its CEO or Tesla with Elon Musk. You'll get a mix of brands, but here's a pro tip. Niche down for maximum impact. Want to focus on car brands? Add this to your prompt. Generate prompts for car brands only. You'll get prompts for brands like Mercedes-Benz or BMW with their owners. Swap car brands for mobile brands, food brands, whatever niche you want to own. Step 2. Generating eye-popping AI images. Now, let's turn those prompts into visuals that'll stop scrollers dead in their tracks. Here's how. Visit caart.ai or leonoro.ai. Both are top tier for creating high-quality images. Paste your prompt into the prompt box. Set the image size to 9:16 for that perfect vertical video vibe. Choose how many images you want. 3 or 4 is a solid start. And hit generate. Watch as these sites whip up stunning visuals of brand owners with massive robotic creatures behind them. For Leonardo.ai, leave the default settings, select the 9:16 ratio under custom settings, choose medium size, and hit generate. You'll get pro-level results every time. Step 3. Upscaling your images. Once your images are ready, download them and head to pixelcut.ai to make them crystal clear. Click Edit, select Image Upscaler, and upload each image one by one from your phone's gallery. Upscale the images to ensure they're sharp and ready for video conversion. This step is crucial for that professional edge. Step 4. Turning images into viral videos. Time to transform those images into videos that scream viral. You'll use 2 incredible websites. First, head to haluo.ai. Click Create Video, hit the plus button, and upload your upscaled image. In the prompt box, paste the action prompt from my video description. It's at the bottom, copy it exactly. Select the middle model and hit Generate. Your image will come alive as a dynamic video. Now the second website, cling.ai.com. Click Videos, upload your image, paste the same action prompt, and hit Generate. This prompt works for every image, so you only need one to create all your videos. Both sites deliver awesome results, but Cling.ai often takes the crown with slightly better quality. You can use either or both for free with multiple accounts. Download your videos once they're done. Step 5. Editing for maximum impact. Now, let's make your videos absolutely unstoppable. Open any video editor and follow these steps. Import all your video clips and drag them onto the timeline. Zoom in slightly on each clip to make them dynamic and engaging. Add a text box to the timeline and stretch it to match the length of your entire video, covering all clips. Move the playhead to the transition between clips and cut the text layer so each clip has its own text segment. For each text segment, type the brand name, like Apple for the first clip and McDonald's for the next. This ties the visuals to the brand. Add animation to each text layer. Most editors have an animation button. Pick a dope effect to make the text pop. Grab royalty-free background music from YouTube's audio library, add it to the timeline, and match its length to your video. Export your video in the highest resolution possible. Boom! You've got a viral-ready banger! Why this idea is your ticket to success. This concept is fresh, it's unique, and it's a goldmine waiting for you to claim it. No one's doing this yet, so you've got a massive chance to dominate. With premium views from English-speaking countries, you could be earning thousands of dollars from your phone if you put in the hustle. Consistency is your superpower. Keep pushing and you'll see results that'll blow your mind. If this tutorial fires you up, give it a like, share it with your crew, and subscribe to this channel for more game-changing tips. Hit the bell icon and set it to all so we can keep this journey going. Go create those viral videos and take over YouTube. Let's make it happen.